So we've got this job here, which are complaining of smells coming out of their, well, they don't know, but bath, basin, shower. Now, we've had an inspection. There's two reasons this is happening. So one is this bath has been fitted with a low profile bath trap. Now that can only be fitted if the waste goes to a hopper head, which in this case it doesn't, go straight to the main drain. The second is this basin here. Now the reason for this, doing it, and it gurgles. That gurgling is the trap seal being sucked out. Now the reason for this is the waste pipe comes along round the back of this wall all the way out to the outside. Now on a 32 basin waste, it should only go 3 metres before hitting the soil stack. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a bottle trap on there with an anti-bac, and we're also going to change the bath trap. Remember, like and subscribe, give us a comment, hit the share button, and let's get this job done. Okay, so this pedestal, the way they've done this is they've got siliconed it to the wall. Yeah, without ripping the tiles off the wall, this pedestal is not going anywhere. So again, just bad installation really. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this trap, which is the same trap that's in there, and we're going to exchange that piece, which has got the anti-bac part on there. Make sure we tighten this part up and tighten the back. And then just test it for any leaks. Now when we run the tap, that is now that anti-bac working and not dragging the water out of the trap itself. So the second one we want to be doing is this low level bath trap, and we're going to be replacing it with this one here. So let's get that in so we can stop these bad smells coming up this trap as well. We can take that one out. Once that's on the bottom, we can then loosen this one off and turn it to where it needs to be. Struggling to get this on, which I am. We can take this part off itself. What we're going to do is we're going to put this one on first and then reattach it to the trap underneath. And make sure that's nice and tight once we've got it on that bottom bit. Again, make sure that these connections that you've just done are nice and tight, and then what we're going to do is we're going to test to make sure it's not leaking. So the bath has now got a proper bath trap on it. The basin has got an anti-bac trap on there. So you can never be 100% sure, but I'm 99% sure that this will not happen again, but only time will tell. Remember, like and subscribe, give us a share.